may dalang bola? Si Rico Lumarda.
Rico, ayan.
Hindi ko kilala.
Rebound by Sergio Balde. Passing through in the middle. Steal by Rico. Winning the ball. Right. Pass to the other. Sergio. There was the reason of that. Traveling violation. Sergio Balde. Pass to Rico up and up. So Ramos. No good. Remove by Sergio. Halas by Sergio Balde. There was a winner. It's a foul. Ang mukha ni Tenorio yun ah.
Kapatid eh.
Kapatid ba?
Siguro.
Isa na silang nanay tsaka tatay.
Tenorio nga apelyido.
Ay, Tenorio din pala.
Oo.
Akala ko mag-isa tatay nila.
Ewan ko, hindi ako sure.
Three seconds violation. South Africa. Right. Pass to Sergei Bortov. No good. Once again. Sergei Bortov. Pass to Sergio Balde. So Rob. 8 to shoot. 8 to shoot. 5. Basket is good. By Sergio Balde. Pushing foul.
Wait lang, masarap.
Sir Object.
Pwede mong dikit, master. Ayaw.
Sir Argel. Pass to 10 to shoot.
Kilala.
No good. It's the air ball. Sir Harold Hubalde. Passing through in the middle. Pass to Sergei Bortov. To Sir Mike. No good. Right, no good. Sir Rigo. Set the play. 15 to shoot. 3. Air ball. Sir Mike.
Gibaw po lang po.
Sir Harold Hubalde.
10 to shoot.
No good.
5.
There was a reason. Who's fouled that?
0-8.
First try. No good. No good again. Rigo by Sir Argel. Passing through. Right. In the middle. Basket is good by Sir Argel.
Pascual.
Sir Saja. Pass to Sir. Mabiling violation. Sir Mabiling. Seconds. LA. Thinking. Right. In the middle. Lace it up. Go. Bye-bye.
Napabot tayo ah.
Refreshing!
Basket is good. Sir Saja. Pass. Basket is good by number 14. Sir Victorino.
Ano lang yan?
Sir Manawang. Sir LA. Pass to Sir. Oh, refreshing. Refreshing. 10 to shoot.
Refreshing!
No good. Rebound by Sir Saja. Set the play. 15 to shoot. Sir Manawang. Sir Jay Monaco. To Manalang. No good. The ball goes to South Africa. Right. No good. Here comes the DITS, the little refreshing. Refreshing up! Basket is good by refreshing. From the HR department. South Africa. From the CSIP. To Sir Ramos. Basket is good by Sir Ramos. Last 3 minutes. To Sir refreshing. Thinking 3. No good. The ball goes to Sergey Morakov.
Sab ah. Boss up.
Sir Satya, the ball goes to Sir Haro Dubalde. Back to Haro Dubalde. Taking 3. Basket is good. Dubalde. Here comes the HADITS.
Taas.
Set the play.
50 to shoot.
8.
10.
To Tenorio. No good. The ball goes to Sir Ramos. Pass to Sir Satya. Sir Satya. Pass by the project.
Last 2 minutes.
Cut by Sir Ramos. Basket is good by Sir Ramos.
Time out.
Tigol mo na.
Wala nga, nabigay na. Nabigay na. Oh.
Time out.
Communication. Sir Satya. Harus by the project. Set the play.
15 to shoot.
To shoot. To Haro Dubalde. Thinking 3. Pump. No good. People by Sir Arjun. Pass to refreshing. Pass to. Basket is good by Sir.
Man.
Sir Satya. Set the play.
15 to shoot. Last 1 minute 10.
Lays it up. No good. Outside.
Hoy, labas.
Resume the ball game. Tenorio. Airball.
Susunod mo na. Ayo, sige. Oo.
South Africa. Haras by Sir Arjun. Pass to
15 to shoot.
15 to shoot. To Sir Haro Dubalde.
Dapat kanina pa kayo nag-trap.
Same ball.
Dapat makakalbag.
Sir Ramos.
Wala na sir, 22 na lang eh. Huwag na, kawawa naman yung papasok.
Basket is good.
8 seconds. 6 seconds remaining. Hello. Tapos na ba? Nag-low battery po.
No bat na hindi.
Score is
Score po natin 67-56.
wow.
Okay.
Statistician na, announcer pa. Ikaw na.
Talaga yan.
Salamat. Hi, sir. Nice.